Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight on a Ford Escape 4th generation from 2001 all the way until 2007. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Okay, first thing that you need to do, you need to come on the driver's side, and there is 3 clips that we need to pull. The middle piece come out and then the whole clip comes out. Okay, you can see just like that, and you can pull them out. Usually those could be stuck, and if they break you can find replacement ones on eBay, pretty inexpensive. Now on the bottom right there is 2 bolts with 10 socket that you need to remove that hold the bumper cover to the fender liner. And after that you can pull the fender liner like that, and there is one more clip right there that we already loosened, so we can show you guys. Okay, this is the one right here, that's where it goes, and you can reach it from the bottom. And as you can see, the bumper cover is loose on this side now. Now, underneath the bumper cover right there, there should be four bolts that should be there, and clips like that. As you can see, one is here, but the cover is still broken. So those 4 clips are the same way. You pull the middle part out and the rest of it. And as you can see, 1 there, 2, 3 and 4, and those clips are missing on this one because it's missing the under engine cover. As you can see, if you have it, it's a good thing. Okay, now it's the same procedure on this side. You have the 3 clips we already removed, the one right here, and the 2 bolts on the bottom that we already removed. And now on top there is 2 more. Okay, one right there with 10mm socket, and one in that corner over there. And now if you grab it, you should be able to pull it out. Just make sure that you grab on each side, careful not to drop it. Okay, and the bumper cover, guys, comes right out of there. Okay, as you can see, this is the bumper cover, and that's how simple it is to remove it. Alright guys, we removed the bumper cover, and now we'll show you why we had to do that. So right here on top now we have 2 bolts, 1 bolt and 1 nut. Those are super easy, you don't have to remove the bumper cover. But right here underneath there is one hidden bolt with 10mm socket right there, and one that goes towards the fender. So you need to remove these 2, and it's almost impossible to do that without removing the bumper cover. Okay, and after that it will be pretty simple procedure, just like that. And you can go ahead. Now you need to pull up on all of the tabs right here so they can come out, and the one on the side there as well, and the headlight will come out. Now what you need to do, you need to press down right there to release the wires and pull out, and the other one is the same way. You just pull down and push and pull at the same time. Okay, and that's the headlight, guys. That's how you remove it and replace it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.